Welcome back to Screamy Monkey Productions. I want to thank you for tuning in and I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I post something new. Lockdown was extended earlier February, and because of that, I'm no longer able to show or receive a level of affection that I require. Therefore, I have turned towards looking for validation from my dog. Really? You're just gonna ignore me like that? But it's time for me to boot, scoot, and boogie out of here, bud. But before I do, I want to remind you, but if you'd like to check out more of my content, make sure you head over to Instagram, SMP2010, on Twitter, SMP2010official, twitch.tv/skinnyritch97, on TikTok or Snapchat, SMP20101.